In a blender, add apple cider vinegar, cannellini beans, minced garlic, miso paste, and blend. In a pan on medium heat, add pork steaks seasoned with salt and pepper. Begin cooking the fat side first. In a second pan on medium heat, add the cooking oil, apple, and Brussels sprouts. All three should be started at the same time. When the fat is browned, begin cooking the wide side. Place a lid on the apples and sprouts and cook both pans for 3 minutes. Flip the pork over and continue cooking for 3 more minutes. Bring both pans to a low heat. Turn the apples and sprouts over, making room for the pork in the center. Cooking oil, sage. Cook for 2 minutes or until crispy. Remove the sage from the pan. Cook the bean mixture on high heat. Beans are done when they begin to boil. Pour the beans, followed by the Brussels sprouts, apples, and then the pork. Finish off by garnishing with your crunchy sage. Save this dish for the next time you want to have elevated pork and beans.